Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will be looking at how to map roles to employees. The roles define the access for users at the organizational level. At some roles, let the user see and update personally identifiable information or any organization entity details. Some of the roles available in the application now are employee, employer, HR, manager, finance, auditor, and attendance admin. To map roles, on the home page, click Transactions. Scroll down to Security Access Rights. Click Map Roles. Click Map Roles under Workflow. Select the role from the drop-down. Enter the employee code or name, or you can check the box against a specific employee's name and click Apply. The role will be assigned to that particular employee or employees. You can now see the new role of the employee under the role column. The permission for these roles will be configured under Screen Permissions. You can watch our video on how to set permissions for each role. Please note that if no role is assigned, the default role will be of an employee. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.